Before changing your nose piercing, wait for the original piercing to heal completely. This may take a couple of months. When you're ready to change out your jewelry, wash your hands with soap and water and put on sterile gloves. Remove the fastener on your jewelry if it has one, then gently slide the jewelry out of the piercing. Clean the piercing with a cotton swab dipped in saline solution. If the new jewelry isn't sterile, clean it with rubbing alcohol or saline solution. Carefully slide the jewelry into the piercing and feel to make sure the post or ring has gone all the way through the hole. Then, fasten the jewelry in place. Clean the area again with saline or water and mild soap. If you experience pain or bleeding when trying to change your jewelry, see a piercing professional for help.